E-commerce is convenient, but it isn't instant, not yet. So when a customer presses purchase on your website, they're gonna wait at least a few days to receive your package. That's kind of a lot of waiting. When your package finally does arrive, it better give them warm, fuzzy feelings inside and justify why they purchased from you. So today on Shipping Things, we're sharing a recipe for a great unboxing, an experience that your customers will want to shout about from the rooftops, or at very minimum, want to share on their social media accounts. Your unboxing is more than just paper and packing peanuts. You're serving a 3-course meal here, people, and you want to make sure it's a good one. So let's talk about the ingredients. First up, your outer packaging. Next up, your inner packaging, what we call void fill in the biz. And of course, last but not least, your product itself, all right? Now, if those are all the ingredients to make a delicious unboxing, let's go over how to make the most of each one. First ingredient up, outer packaging. Your product needs to go into a container to ship all the way to a customer. So wouldn't it be great if that container can be beautiful? Brands have different approaches to this. FabFitFun uses a heaping spoonful of graphics to make a big pop on a customer's doorstep. Cotton Bureau uses a pinch of copy to really give people a message right when they see that package. And Buy Olympia is using just a pinch of their own brand to make sure that you know the package that arrived is straight from them. There's different approaches to this, but one thing is consistent. You want to take your online experience and do the best you can to bring it right into the real world. Now let's go inside the box. The next ingredient up is void fill. Void fill is anything that wraps around your product and holds it in place inside your outer container. It can really be great for protection, but that's not its only job. By wrapping up and holding your product in place, you can create a really nice experience for your customer, almost like a drum roll leading up to people seeing your product. Let's look at the options. So, first up, you could wrap your product up almost like little pigs in a blanket. Give them something to open up so they can experience your product as like a present unwrapping. Or you could do something really structural. You could create a nice custom insert that's part of your corrugated container that holds your product in place firmly. And then last but not least, there's some simpler options. You could go with crinkle paper or like bunched up tissue paper or anything else that holds your product in place and creates a nice feeling that your product is sitting on a nice little bed, almost like a little casserole. All right, so these are different options you have to create a feeling that your product is held in place and your customer gets something to open. Now for your final ingredient, your product. Your customers have opened up the outer packaging, rustled through your void fill, and moved on to the piece de resistance. Now is the time to ask yourself, what can you offer inside that box that makes the experience of actually touching and interacting with your product extra special? For FabFitFun, it comes in the form of a quarterly publication, a full-on publication with information and articles that really accompany the products themselves. Then, with Everlane, it can be as simple as a little bit of a note, a bit about the philosophy and product details to give it that extra special touch. With Glossier, it's swag to accompany their beautiful cosmetics. And with Girlfriend Collective, it comes in the form of a really nice thank you note. All right, folks, that's your recipe for a 3-course killer unboxing. So experiment with your logo, have some fun with patterns, void fill, and all the rest to make sure you're delivering a delicious experience for your customers. I find this stuff delicious.